My people, this na TMC TV. My name na Aluke your country brother. When I give you story around the world, and this na street here at the top TMC TV and radio. For here na matter when they happen for street, matter when you go entertain you, when you go educate you, when you go come make your belly sweet, when you go inform you about ogbonge things when they happen around your surrounding. Now when they carry come give you sharply. And yes, the matter when they carry come today, when we put on top of table like this, when we serve una. One matter when shelling for inside this our Benin for Ekenwan road for Ozebu quarters. The matter now one bungalow na the matter for shele. Police bust the bungalow. Come see say now dead body they see inside. They see dead body when they reach 20. They see men, they see women. All of them just lie down. They arrange all of them one by one for the place. They can also find cylinder. They want to come shock us partner shrine. When they find for there, the police go say no, this one not be mortuary, this one na ritual then. Now yeah, ritual activities they shele. Now police come. Some people say na mortuary. Police they talk say na ritual. Other police say na mortuary. I don't say government not give police 7 days make them sharply ferret the sock for this matter. And this one I come because carry waka enter street. So here we see our people for street they talk. So here we see our people reason the matter. This ritual killing matter when police find for one bungalow for Ozebu quarters for Ekenwan road. Waiting the people for street. Waiting our pa mama. Waiting our people for outside feel about them. What they say about them? The 7 days ultimatum when government give police when they find the cocoa for the matter. What our people still get to talk about them? My people more carry waka go show now. What our people talk for this matter? This na TMC TV and radio. My name na Aluke Ajakaye. We go come back.
This one in Nigeria. Yeah, this way where they possible for America, not the day possible for here. Where they possible for South Africa, not the day possible for here. So as the matter be like this, we go wait maybe 7 days, reach. But the situation will be say police and government before. Police are part of government, but police talk this one, government talk this one. You know say some water they pass under the bridge. For me, when I hear the matter, for person to get private mortuary, where they just ban person. You know say the person get level or na person send am. But what I can't tell myself say person wey fit get that special talent, because if you see our mortuary wey dey town here now, the body go dey smell. Wey fit get talent, we fit embalm person wey don die for long time. You suppose just use am positively and dey use am negatively. So set up a mortuary wey be say you go fit dey embalm people in a right way, employ your talent in a positive way. But as it be so, make we not preempt government. Government wan fight government, police are government. So make we see how e go fair end after the 7 days. Make we still dey pray for the country, because things wey dey happen here, we no dey believe say they will happen before now. Oh guy, just like you say, wetin you think about person get refinery for inside our street. Nigeria people dey get refinery for inside area. So Nigeria not be you dey think now because you look at how society suppose be. Nigeria is not a conventional society. Now man speaks more English. Nigeria now as it be, anything can happen. As me and you stand so, all you fit come up for inside this ground now. So that's the way I see this country. So while we live in this country, just enjoy yourself. Because if you want to think of some strange things when they happen, you'll kill yourself. My brother, enjoy yourself while we are in this country. That's how I see it.
I will say it's because of the decay in the society. That is why most of those people took to those kind of acts. If actually those people, if they are gainfully employed, they will not go into such kind of thing. And that's just my take. It's unacceptable. It's uncalled for. And I heard that there is a juju in the mortuary. I don't think that is a mortuary. It's for ritual. That's my own personal understanding. In mortuary, you don't see juju and all those kind of stuff. It's for ritual. It's a ritual.
Once police don't find them out, they're supposed to do what they're supposed to do. I don't believe they need another force again to push them to do the right thing. To me, now what I feel be that one. If they know they do anything about it, it means that there is more to it. There are other things when we say we never know. Make our put on like that. Now so we will often talk. If they never do, if they never take any action, I believe say more day to the matter. And we say we never know. Now very bad thing. The problem go come from the person when give them the rights, because I believe say before they go there, a person give them rights to take do them. So that one are totally bad, not good. So I no go blame the mortuary attendants or the person when permit them to do, and I go blame.
The government should have to investigate that place properly. They found mummified corpse in that place, and the place was abandoned, kind of. But there should be like the picture, like what I saw. People are living there, you understand? And I saw a photograph of the person who get that place. And there's a registered kind of documents there, proving that the man is licensed. There's a picture photograph there with a major, and they should have to investigate if that major, the stuff there, if actually is not impersonated, that is that person is real. Where he packed from, because there was another press release in my WhatsApp that says the man is genuine, that he was given an ultimatum to pack from where he was to that place, and they should investigate. It's a simple thing. They should investigate properly to see if the place is not, if it's not a ritual den. Because there's also this thing there, what you call a shrine there, and claiming that the person who owns that place is what he serves to protect his business and also himself. So the government is left for the government to now investigate. Because that place there, that place, I mean, it's not even a village. It's just sitting here, and not too far from this time morgue too. You understand? So they should have to investigate and to see, because those people are not known for ritualists, or they are not known for ritualists like that. So they have to investigate to see if that man is actually right to do that kind of business or not, or if it's a ritual, the way the people are speculating. Since the report came out, all those why, and with the 7-day ultimatum they just give them now, all those why, coupled together, I think it's a long term. They should have to investigate properly. The 7 days at least should be enough. If the police actually want to do their work, they should do it. They should do it. First of all, they have to investigate where they come from, the place where they come from. They need to investigate if actually he has been doing the business there. Anybody who come to collect corpse, they should do a thorough investigation about that place and the man. I heard the man is on the run right now.
If you give them the 7 days, now the same government go submit the report to. Then our government go come bring out a blueprint. Now go come tell us the way forward. White paper on that thing will come out. And in between, our security agencies, then they work 24 hours. Vigilantes, everybody, they work 24 hours.
My people, now welcome back. This is the street here as a top TMC TV and radio. You don't hear it people talk for street, but one important thing when they talk, we say that they call on government and police, may they sharply find the cocoa for this matter. When they talk to the people, some of them say, who give these people license to operate as mortuary? Last time I checked, now government they give people license to operate as mortuary. Now, if you ask me the question, now who I go ask? Yes, my people, now here we go join the curtains for today's show on top street here and on top TMC TV. Make sure don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. On Facebook, we on top TMC TV, Twitter now at TMC TV, on Instagram too now at TMC TV. Don't forget to carry waka enter YouTube where we go the summer you bonga information, bonga news as the hot. Now TMC TV on top YouTube, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. Now me be your country brother, Omo Aluke Ajakaye, and this na TMC TV and radio.